In today's video, I'm gonna show you what I think to be the best website builder for videographers. If you're trying to build a portfolio website and you are a videographer or a filmmaker, this is gonna be a perfect solution for you. But before we start, my name is Sam and you're watching VidLead Studio User, helping you level up your videography and photography marketing. So I'm not gonna take much time. I'm actually gonna show you my website that I just built. It took me a few days to actually build this website. I'm still working on it, but as you can see, this is my portfolio website right now. This is the photo section. This is my logo. As you can see, I've got my pictures here just to showcase a little bit. On the top of that, we have the video section. I'm gonna tell you my psychology when it comes to building a portfolio website, and I'm gonna give you my reasons why I believe this software is actually the best. I just wanted you guys to see my website a little bit just to have an idea. As you can see, I got this background video kind of playing. Again, I'm into wedding videography. I've got this book a call button here, and I've got some other videos kind of playing back here. But again, I believe I'm gonna change this a little bit. I don't want these videos to be auto playing. I feel like they're kind of distracting. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna have them pause a little bit with thumbnails with the play button so people can actually play if they want to see the videos. This is what the website looks like for now. Okay, again, I'm still working on it, and I got this meet the team. I believe I'm gonna change it eventually. I'm not happy with it, but I'm gonna show you how easy it is to actually build this type of website. Also, I have this section where people can anytime book a call with me. So it just goes to my Google Calendar. This is called a discovery call. People can book 30 minutes. I've got my calendar here. They can book, pick a spot, and I'm gonna be able to sell them a package. But if I go back to the website, I also have this section here called pricing. So as you can see, I actually just talk about pricing, a little bit of text. Now, my philosophy, I try not to have too much text on my portfolio website. This is gonna be my personal preference. You can have your preferences, it doesn't matter, but my reason is if somebody's coming to my website, I know what they're looking for. They want to understand my style, but they also want to see my videos. If I make good videos, it's nothing else. Or if I do good pictures, nothing else really. If you think about it, people are looking for a photographer or a videographer. What do you think? What's the main thing they're looking for on your website? Not some text. They don't need the blah 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 blah. They need to understand your services. They need to understand the type of work that you do. They also need to understand and see if you can make good videos in general. That's it. Something that responds to what they're specifically looking for. So you need to be as transparent as possible in terms of your style, but also the type of videos that you make, and they need to access them as fast as possible. That's the whole point. It's the portfolio website. Now, after they see your work, the next thing they want to know is how you work, but also how much do you charge. So for the charging part, most of the time, I don't want to show my prices right away because most of the people, especially the cheap ones, they're gonna be shopping. There's some people are shopping for prices instead of the actual real service. That's why I don't want to show my prices right away, but I don't want to hide my prices either. Because if you had your prices, that's where people end up booking a call with you to discover that you're actually charging something beyond their budget. And guess what? You wasted their time and they wasted your time as well. So you also want to make sure you filter out some of the people who are in the super low end by showing them the prices. That's why my pricing page is like this. Basically, I give them an option to get in touch with me for a custom pricing. And that gives me an opportunity to talk to them, understand what they need, and try to build a package around their needs. And of course, I still keep my pricing. You also get to understand the client and get to connect, because most people actually, they're gonna buy emotionally. To be honest, they have to connect with you. If they don't feel you, they're not gonna hire you. Doesn't matter if you cocky and you have good videos and make amazing videos, but you're cocky, people are not gonna hire you. People need to connect. They need that connection. So good videos, important, but you need to be a nice person too. Next, I give them an option here to view my packages. So if they click here, I have this page right here. It's not available on my website, but when they click on it, I have this page right here where I actually build this form right here, where I show them my packages like this, and then what they can do, because we do offer both video and photography services. We have the video packages here. They can go ahead and actually choose any of the packages they want, and then once they're done, they go to the video section. If they want to add some additional hours, they can do that. If they want to, they need photography services as well, I have the packages for photography, and then they can go ahead and actually choose whatever they like depending on how many hours they need. And then once they're done, add their full name and then phone number and email address, and then submit to me. So once they submit, I go back into my VidLead Studio account, which is gonna be the platform that I personally use and I recommend to all videographers and photographers. Why? Because this is a tool that is actually made specifically for us. It's new, but it's super powerful because it's actually going to help you cancel most of the services that you were using, including video hosting. If you're using Vimeo, you may end up canceling Vimeo because this software does video hosting. If you're using Notion for managing your projects, or using Honeybook for managing your clients, if you're using something else for email marketing, all those things you're going to cancel. Invoicing, you have that built into VidLead Studio. You can receive payments through VidLead Studio. You can automate, you can build funnels, your marketing that you need for videography. Everything, guys, that you just saw on that website was made by VidLead Studio in here. So I do have two accounts. I have two kind of user profiles in here, but I can show you like this is how it looks like inside VidLead Studio. So as you can see, you have a dashboard where everything, you have your conversations. I'm not gonna show you because some of my DMs. You have calendars. That's where I built my calendar where people can actually book calls with me. You have opportunities, you have payments, you can process payments. You have the marketing section where you can create things like funnels. You can run ads on Facebook or Instagram and have generate leads from your ads through VidLead Studio, and then you can do the whole automation thing like email marketing. Everything is in here. You can build sites, funnels. I'm gonna show you how I build actually my sites. I used one of their templates. So if we go to website template, you can actually see that I have mine here. I use this template right here, and if you click to it, as you can see, this is mine already kind of built. But you can go to, I believe I used Austin Paul. This is an example. Okay, these are templates. You have templates for everything. So if you click to it, you can see this is the template that I personally use. So you can go ahead and actually customize it the way you want. And the website builder is really simple actually and easy to use. So if I click edit, I'm just gonna show you a little quick. If you used Wix before or used Shopify or Squarespace, is the same concept. The only difference here is VidLead Studio is actually cheaper. You pay for everything and then you get these services for free. If you were paying for Wix monthly, you can go ahead and cancel Wix. You can go ahead and cancel Vimeo. You can go ahead and cancel your invoicing software. You can actually go ahead and cancel your email marketing software and get VidLead Studio, and everything is going to be included. Or the only thing you need to do is just buy your domain from GoDaddy for like a low fee, and that's it. So as you can see, it's the same concept. It's just a website builder. I can add headline, buttons, blog posts. I can add image slider, video, images. Super simple to use website builder. If you guys want me to show you like to do a whole kind of work through, build a website from scratch, again, mine took me like maybe 3 days to build. Again, I was just spending like 10 hours max to build the whole thing, and I believe actually I can build this website in less than 2 hours. If you have all the content, all the videos and everything, super easy to actually build. So you have all the templates, everything is just a drag and drop. You can see like if I click, let's say I'm gonna drop, let's say here, column here, and inside the column you say I want to add the video. This is a video, so just an example. And then what I can do, once you click to that video, you can go here, video here, and then they ask you to add either a YouTube video or a Vimeo video or a Wistia video. I don't even know that service, or a hosted video. So a hosted video is gonna be a video inside VidLead Studio. So if you have, let's say, a YouTube video, you can actually go ahead and drag the URL. So let's go ahead and go to YouTube and bring a video in here. This is just an example. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe because I'm gonna be dropping these videos. So as you can see, as soon as I drop it in here, I can hit save and then update. As you can see, the video shows, and then I can actually enable autoplay. Now once I do this autoplay, the video is going to autoplay as soon as you open the page. It's inside another video. That's how easy it is. You can add anything you want. Like, this doesn't make sense because inside another video, so it doesn't make sense. But this is an example to show you guys how easy it is to actually edit all these sections. Again, you can go ahead and delete any section that you don't want. You can go ahead and customize this, delete the text and add your own text. You can delete this one, add your text. You can remove this background and add your own. You can remove this text and add your own email address. Everything's customizable. You can even add a pop-up, not a background, something like a form. Super easy. Everything is drag and drop. Again, I'm not gonna spend a lot of time, but if you want to see a video where I'm gonna build a website from scratch using Vidlit Studio, let me know. But other than that, I believe this is the best so far for videographers. I'm not saying it's better than Wix, or I'm not saying it's better than Squarespace, but the reason why I'm saying is the best for videographers is because it's not only gonna give you templates already made for videographers. These are templates specifically made for videographers, and it's gonna give you more options. Things like how to build the funnels already built for you. Some funnels, if you go here to funnels, you have some client delivery, like this one right here, client video delivery template. This is awesome. I use this, man. Let me show you what I build for my clients. This is a website that I build using Vidlit Studio for my clients. How easy it is using one of their funnels. How do I do it? Templates are there. This takes me like 20 minutes or 10 minutes to build, and every time I deliver, once I'm done working on videos, I would just go ahead and use that template through Vidlit Studio, and this is how I deliver my videos. From the time I signed up with Vidlit Studio, I no longer used to deliver just links to my clients. That's how I was delivering my work, just send them Vimeo links. But now I still use Vimeo, which I'll be canceling eventually. But as you can see, I have this little beautiful website made for my clients. I sent to them. I have the highlight video, I have the full movie, everything, and have a button to download. And then on the top of that, I'm actually able to generate leads with this website. Why? Because I have these buttons that I add here that says give us a review. They can give me a review on Google, or they can actually refer me to their friend. Someone is getting married in their family, or they send this website to someone who's related to them for kind of to enjoy their wedding videos. There's a form that before they leave the website is gonna pop up, says, hey, got a friend or family member who's getting married, do you mind referring them to me? Okay, if they like your work, they're going to fill in their name, their email address, their phone number. You're gonna receive a form back in Vidlit Studio. That's gonna be a lead that you're actually gonna schedule a call with them and actually upsell them something, and that's how you get clients, right? This is gonna be a good lead because they already like your work. But also they can go ahead and actually click to this button here, and anytime, and this is gonna be working for you 24/7 for years and years, because this website is gonna be there for years. That's why I believe all those templates are here. I mean, like, there's so many good things that I want to talk about. Some invoicing templates, some contract templates, things that videographers really need for your business. Everything is in here on the top of being the best website builder for videographers. I cannot cover everything in this short video. However, I've got a code if you want to try Vidlit Studio for 30 days for free. People at the Vidlit Studio, they gave me a code that you guys, all my viewers, can use. They'll be able to use, and you're gonna be able to use Vidlit Studio for 30 days for free. Try it. If you like it, then go for it. If you don't, then too bad, but I'm sure you're gonna like it. So the link's gonna be down below, and the code, of course, to try Vidlit Studio. Other than that, if you want to see a video that I made about Vidlit Studio showing you all the features that you're gonna get and a way to actually make money using Vidlit Studio as a videographer, I'm gonna have the video linked right here, so make sure to check it out, and I'll see you there, guys. Take care.